Yeah, that's my garage in there. I haven't opened the door yet because even though I said I'm making a video about how to organize and declutter your garage, there's part of me that's a little reluctant to show you just how much of a mess it is. But I gotta get it clean, and I have some ideas about how to do that. So come on along, let's try this, see what happens. Here we go.
Make, fix, grow, cook. GardenFork.
All right, literally a light bulb moment. I'm drawing a blank. Basically, get rid of your regular bulbs. Go buy yourself a couple of these adapters that turn your light bulb into electrical plugs. Go pick up some LED shop lights. A bright space you're going to be happier in. Now you can see just how much junk you have and how much of it you really need to get rid of. But if it's bright, you can see what's going on, right? There we go. Doesn't that feel better? It's just like you're an adult now. But now you can see, and you're like, oh, I like this space, it feels good, I want to be here. And we should be in the present, so here we are. All right, next one, some hard reckoning. What are you really gonna do with this stuff? Okay, this is a spark plug. I don't know what it's from. What do I do with this? I'm gonna throw this out. This is the original car radio from a Dodge Caravan that I used to own. And I don't know why I kept it, but I'm going to give it to the electronic recycling place because there is some metal electronics in there that they can recycle. So these are some welding, it's a welding rig. It's got vice grips on the end for welding. So I'm gonna put this in my welding department, let's just say, but I'm gonna keep this. Portable vise, why don't I just put it on the workshop table? It's been sitting here for a couple of years. Just screw it on. Brake master cylinder, 81 Ford F-150. One word, 2 syllables, Craigslist. I mean, these are brake drums. I've got brake drums, tire chains, just stuff from previous cars that I don't need, and it's just time to let go. Take a picture of this, put it on Craigslist, $10, someone will come get it. Or eBay, I mean, it's a small and shippable, put it on eBay. Okay, this we're gonna keep, that's like new. But all this, this is a socket set that got wet, a roof leak. All these are shot, so recycle perhaps. Couple things I'm gonna save. This is from one of my old trucks, and I like the saying, so this could go as a wall decoration. There you go. That looks beautiful. It really is kind of amazing how much brighter it is with 4 LED shop lights, and it's like a movie studio in here. But anyway, you can see your junk, so you can like get rid of your junk, right? Take a hard look at this stuff and figure out, are you really going to use it one day? It's, I have this thing like, oh, I could use that for something, but I don't know what I could use it for, but I have it. And some of this stuff has been here 10 or 15 years now, and I'm like, what am I going to do with it? String trimmer line from a string trimmer I don't own anymore. And then you're like, but it's brand new. It could go to someone. Put it in your yard sale box. Give it away at the yard sale. Put $1 on it for the yard sale. Me, I'm just gonna put it out in my free pile, and when people drive by, they just take it. It works really well. The free pile, end of your driveway. Gone. A piece of rain gutter. That cooler is from when we did beer sous vide. This is our sous vide machine, aka the beer cooler. And I don't really use it anymore. These are the life preservers, personal flotation devices, PFDs, for our canoes. And I want to keep these, but the problem is the mice keep getting in and they make a mess. I just put these through the washing machine. Let me tell you, can't talk. Let me show you my solution, okay? Clear plastic container with a lid. The lid's down there. But this way, I can see what's in here. It's not a mystery box. It's protected from the elements and from the mice. Here's the lid, okay? No mice, nice and clean. I can see what it is, and I'm okay with that. So this is a work table, and I also have a bunch of plywood that I usually just kind of stack along here. And then if you notice what happens, all these leaves get all bunched up. And that kind of creates a visual clutter. And I'm kind of a big mess, but I'm also kind of a vacuum clean freak as well. So let me show you my solution to having materials I need, but also being able to clean the garage. Take this end, and bend it up like that. Okay, this is a work in progress. Smaller pieces of flat material go just fine here, but my big pieces, like this is how I cut plywood, the big piece of foam insulation, it hits the top of the ceiling there. So, well, let me show you why I took it up off the floor. So that way you can sweep. And I don't know, for me, if it's clean, if it's a clean space, I feel less cluttered. Is that a thing? If you have some ideas about the really big pieces of plywood, how I can get them off the floor, let me know in the comments, okay? Because I read the comments and I answer a lot of them too. So, but it gets stuff off the ground, I can sweep, I feel a little better. Finish old projects before starting new ones. This is a carburetor for one of my lawn mowers, which I wanted to replace. If I could get the carburetor out, don't drop anything. Yeah, how long has this been in here? I don't want to tell you how long this box has been in this box on that. Before you start anything new, finish this, okay? So maybe you could ask me in a couple months, ask me in a month if I've done this, okay? We have a Facebook group if you want. Do you have some unfinished projects? Let me know in the comments. My neighbor gave me this snowblower for free, electric start, except the mice have eaten the ignition wires. So this is a project I have to finish before I start any new projects, right? All right, following up on getting the plywood and stuff up off the ground, get your tools off the ground as well. Don't just lean this on the wall. Hang it up. Sorry, go to the store and buy a bunch of brackets. They're fairly inexpensive, maybe even the dollar store has them. But then you can go around your garage and you don't have to think, oh, I need to go buy that. You just have a bunch of brackets. And then when you're done, maybe your buddy wants some brackets. Who would say no to corner break? Oops, you know what I mean. Get a bunch, you could do it all in a day. Boom, done. Boom, done. Boom, done. That's better. All right, I splurged a little, but this is a total organizational tool. Follow me on this. Nice, huh?
It is nice.
Oh, Charlie. All right, let me show you. It's not really extravagant because, oh, Charlie.
It's not edible.
Charlie.
Where's your camera been?
But this is peace of mind, and this will last forever. So let me show you.
That's peace of mind?
Well, that way I can get more. I'm not overwhelmed. And you know how I get overwhelmed?
I
Let me show you.
do. Yes.
Socket set.
Socket set.
Open the drawer.
Socket set drawer.
Socket set drawer. And I know where it is. It's not collecting dust somewhere. I'm not losing sockets.
Was that keeping you up at night? I'm losing sockets.
Big tools.
Big tools.
Big tool drawer.
Charlie Pup thinks it might be a new refrigerator. And please take out the cheese.
All right, tell me your organizational tips. All right, there should be some more videos floating right here. And just share with me how you are more organized in your garage. So go out and do cool stuff. I'll see you later.